Did you know that Optris has a simple software solution called EasyCom for developers who wants to have direct access to temperature data out of the XI80 or XI410 cameras? The complex temperature calculation is fully processed in the device, and the user of the EasyCom gets temperature information of all pixels. To activate the EasyCom communication with the XI80 or XI410 camera, go to the configuration menu and click on the tab External Communication. Check Direct Temperature Mode. Press OK. With the XI410 camera, go to the menu Device and click on Set Configuration to Device to transfer the settings to the XI410 camera. Now you can see that the camera is switched to the direct temperature mode, providing calculated temperature information of all pixels. To have an easy access and easy introduction regarding the communication, go to the menu Help and EasyCom. Here you can find the complete documentation for the EasyCom interface, the protocol and camera setup, and also example file for the XI80 and XI410. Before you start the communication, close the software Pix Connect. Now you can start the example app to receive the temperature information of all pixels via EasyCom. The commented source code of this example shows how to get the temperature values out of the data stream and helps you to integrate it into your own application. Have an easy communication via Ethernet with EasyCom. Now available.